guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I am going to compare these hair straightener. One is from Philips, it's the model number BHS386 and this is the most popular model in Philips brand, and the other one is Vega VH-SH20 and this is again the most popular brand. They make varieties of hair straightener within budget. So yeah, these are the two hair straighteners I'm going to compare. And why I'm going to compare, guys, because of the price and functionality of these two hair straighteners kind of similar. So that's the reason I'm going to compare both of these hair straighteners so that you can get some idea and clear vision with which hair straightener is better, what is the exact difference in between both of these hair straighteners, and what extra features that you are getting in these hair straightener. Let's say if you're planning to buy any of these hair straighteners, that this video is going to be helpful for you. The price wise, both of the hair straightener is kind of similar. A Philips BHS386 hair straightener is priced at 1899 rupees on Flipkart, whereas Vega VH-SH20 hair straightener is priced at 1599 rupees on Flipkart. So there is kind of 300 rupees price difference in between both of these hair straighteners. So we are going to see what extra we are getting in Vega or maybe in Philips. So let's get started. Both of the hair straightener comes with keratin infused ceramic coating. Vega hair straightener comes with the maximum heat of 230 degrees Celsius temperature, whereas BHS386 hair straightener comes with 210 degrees Celsius temperature, which is lesser than Vega. So in Vega you get more heat, high heat in comparison with BHS386 model number. Although price wise BHS386 is higher, 300 rupees extra you have to pay. So in Vega hair straightener you get adjustable temperature regulator and you can adjust the temperature from 170 to 230 degrees Celsius temperature. So there you get 4 different temperature range in Vega, whereas in BHS386 hair straightener you get 2 different temperature range from 190 to 210 degrees Celsius. So you cannot adjust in 4 different range. So that's the advantage of Vega hair straightener. You get 4 different temperature range. So temperature regulator and temperature setting feature is really important for any hair straightener. If let's say if you have like a very curly and wavy hair texture, then you will definitely need high heat temperature in order to manage that hair and do straightening on curly and wavy and thick texture. So for that you will need 230 degrees Celsius temperature. So for you can go with Vega hair straightener, whereas in Philips it comes with 210 degrees Celsius temperature only. So I don't think it is suitable for like curly and like extremely curly and wavy hair. So that's the advantage of Vega hair straightener. Whereas if you want to do some certain touch-up some days, let's say if you have straightened your hair already and you want to do kind of little bit touch up, and then you have to work at minimum heat temperature. We don't need to work at max heat and put unnecessarily heat on our hair. So that's why you will need lesser heat temperature for all that touch up. And Vega hair straightener comes with 4 different temperature range and it starts from 170 only. So as per your hair texture, as per your requirement, you can work from minimum to medium to high heat temperature, and that's amazing like about this hair straightener. In Philips as well you get the minimum heat temperature of 190, so you're restricted to use either 190 or 210, but both of these temperatures are really good and ideal temperature to do any touch up or straightening. So practically it's fine, like you can go with any of these temperature settings. So both of these hair straightener comes with plates lock and unlock feature. In Vega also you can lock and unlock the plates. From here you can just unlock the plates, and from the other side you can lock the plates. Likewise in Philips, so from here you can unlock and lock the plates. But there is a fit finish difference in between both of these hair straightener, guys. Vega is not that premium. Although it has all the advanced feature, but as you can see the plates are still open. I have already locked the plate and you can see certain gap in between both of these plates. Although in Philips the plates are locked and you can see it's so compact and perfectly locked. So that's the quality of Philips hair straightener. You know, you will get that fit finish and premium feeling if you go with this hair straightener. You can hear some noise, like some unwanted noise. It doesn't feel very solid and premium, whereas Philips it doesn't make much noise. And I'm not saying Vega is that bad, but yes, definitely Philips feels more premium and compact. And both of these hair straightener comes with 360 movable cord, wire cord. So It's very convenient and handy while working with any of these hair straighteners. So this is the power cord of Philips BHS386 hair straightener, and this one is Vega VH SH20. So you can see the power cord of both of these hair straightener is good quality, and they both fit perfectly to the switchboard. It doesn't get loosened or comes out easily, so they are really good quality. The Vega hair straightener comes with long and sleeker plates in comparison with BHS386 hair straightener. BHS386 hair straightener, it comes with small and sleek medium length plate, whereas Vega comes with long and slim plate, and both comes with keratin infused ceramic coating. So coatings of both of the hair straightener is exactly similar, and both of the hair straightener has this floral like print on the top of the hair straightener, so it indicates that the plates are like keratin infused. If we talk about the shape of both of these hair straightener, the Vega hair straightener comes in barrel like shape, and the edges of the plates of the hair straighteners are curved, and it's perfect to create any kind of curls, whereas BHS386 hair straightener comes with sleek plates, although sleek body, but the side and the edges of these hair straighteners are flat. So it's not that convenient to create curls using this hair straightener. Although you can use this hair straightener for curling purpose, so I would say Vega is better in terms of creating curls, and the shape of the curl is beautiful in comparison with Philips hair straightener. I have already done a separate video using these two hair straighteners for straightening purpose and curling purpose. There is a dedicated video for straightening and curling, so you can check that out on my channel if you want to see the demo and all those things. So go for it. And both of these hair straightener comes with all the suitable features that you will need for straightening purpose. Again, it depends on your budget, it depends on your requirement, your hair texture, so you can make a right decision. And as per my experience, both of these hair straightener performs really well in terms of straightening the hair. Vega is more fast if you work at 230 degrees Celsius. Of course, if you're working at higher heat, then the straightening process is going to be more fast and quick in comparison with Philips hair straightener. So overall, as per my experience, I would say functionality wise, feature wise, Vega is more advanced in comparison with the Philips hair straightener. Whereas for this price point, if we talk about the brand like Philips, you know, such a premium and good brand, you are getting all the suitable feature in this particular hair straightener that you will need, and you get like really nice fit finish. That is most important, you know. I can also recommend this Vega hair straightener for like a professional hair artist if you are into the budget, and if you are looking for a good hair straightener that can be used for curling purpose also, then smoothly you can create curls with this hair straightener, so you can go for it. I have already done several videos related to this hair straightener in comparison with other hair straighteners, so you can check that out if you still have any queries related to Vega VH SH20 hair straightener. When we talk about the Philips BHS386 hair straightener, so as per my experience, straightening wise, this is really nice hair straightener. Performance wise, it's good. At this price, like 1899 rupees, you are getting a lot more features. If you talk about the brand like Philips, you are getting all the basic to suitable features that you will need for a really nice high performance hair straightener. It comes with all of that, and it comes with 2 years of warranty, and Vega hair straightener also comes with 2 years of warranty. I have been using Philips other hair straighteners from now more than 4 years, and they're blow dryer from like past 10 years, and I would say I still have not faced any issue with the Philips brand. So definitely you can go with Philips hair straightener if you believe in like quality and functionality. So this is kind of that kind of hair straightener, you can go with that. If you go for like Philips hair straightener with features similar like Vega, then it will cost you around 3,000 and more than that, whereas Vega hair straightener will cost you around 1,599 rupees. So again, this is a really nice deal. You can go with this hair straightener and you will never regret buying this one if fit finish doesn't bothers you a lot. If you still have any queries, you can let me know in the comment section below, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I also love doing makeup. I create a different kind of makeup looks. I'm very passionate about trying out different makeup products, so you can also check out my Instagram, and I hope you will find it interesting. So I will see you all soon in my next video. Till then, take care, stay safe. Bye guys.